Hi, you're now watching the Accessorizing channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing videos of BJD doors. And such a long time that I didn't take any videos because I have a lot of work to do. I have some examinations these days, and I'm moving homes now, so I am so busy that I haven't taken any videos for such a long time. So today I'm going to show you two boxes of new BJD store from an ECHOTOWN, and I'm going to do some introduction, including maybe I will dress up the door and introduce its facilities, the door maker or something. And before that, this is the door. I don't know if you remember her or you have watched my videos before. It is a 1:6 size BJD doors from my door company, and this is Bijan. And last time I showed you an unboxed video of her, but I didn't dress up her. So today I'm going to show you back her look now. And I've dressed her up just like Alice in Wonderland, and she's so pretty. You can see her face up. It is unchanged, but with the dress up, it's just so pretty. The feet, the boots, I give her some boots. So a brown color hair, and yeah. So back to the topic. I just put her in out of place. So this is the box I would like to unbox today. It is from ECHOTOWN. First of all, ECHOTOWN is actually not a big company, or you can say that it is just some doors made from a Chinese door maker in China. Yeah, a Chinese door maker, of course, in China. And it is called ECHOTOWN, so we call ourselves villagers after we have bought the door, so as to have a sense of belongings of the doors. And this is the package of it, with white and blue color, some patterns on the back, and ribbons, and also the logo is in a ribbons style, with a monster hat here. Just open it. And some spongy to protect the door. And this is the card of authenticity from the door maker. The door maker is called Lucy Q, and I found her on the website of But it is Baidu company's websites in China, and show some people create their doors, and Lucy is one of them. And this is ECHOTOWN, the credit card, just like credit card. I got the final card because I'm the last buyer to receive the door. The door is supposed to be made in February this year, but I just postponed it to now because I don't have time to receive any doors, and the door maker just take care of them, and I'm so thankful for her. And another card to tell you what materials is made in this store, and also some words from the door maker. So warm. It is from Lucy Q. You can see here, and the date of it. And it said, "Thank you for my support and the time I patiently wait for these two sisters, and hope that I will like the doors. Of course, I love them." And yeah, this is the door. So really, you can see that she comes with two sets of fists, and one is a high heel fist. You can see so many details on it. The bone structure all made on it, and clearly see that it is not a flat fit. It has some yeah, you can see so many details. The curves or a structure on it. Even the nails here are made. Another one, the white fit. And so I will untie the ribbons. Here's some pins. You can change help you to change the doors, and also some blue tape for you to paste the eyes on the door. And first of all, this is Aya. Just in the photos, it has some dressed up and made up, but I just ordered a brand door so that I can do some face up later and some body washing myself. And this is a normal skin color. Actually, it is called a 1 to 4 size door, but a special body made because they are not made in some normal scale. The flexibility of it is so good. That's why I bought the door from the internet. Yeah, the face of it. And see that? So pretty. The eyes is a little bit small, and the breast of it, all the details are made. The bones. And all angles are adjusted with no problems. It is not stringy, so when you are playing the doors, it is very convenient to make different postures of it. And with her hands, the hand is so detailed. Yeah, with some nails on it. So much detail. Here's also the hands, you can see that. Her butt, quite big. And her body is quite thin and slim. And yeah, so this is Aya. And I will show you more of her afterwards. But now I will open another door. It is called Ygritte, one of another sister. So this is another box of it. I'll just open it just like each time I have done. It's wonderful. And another card. Also the authenticity card, a postcard of Ygritte printed on, and also the words from the CQ. 2 boxes. If you buy it at one time, you just receive 1 card of the words that wrote by Lucy. And here's the card. This is number 189. The final door of Ygritte. Here's the card. I love Ygritte more, and I love her face up, so I asked for a makeup from the doll maker, just like the photo ones. But I didn't order any body brushing. So she also comes with 2 sets of fish. I won't show it again because I just introduced last time from Aya, and yeah. So this is Ygritte, the same body, should be the same body, but with a face up. Because I don't know if you can see it clearly. This is her face up. Maybe I can remove the head first. So I just hold the camera and show you her face up because it is so elegant and so detailed. Her lips, hard to focus. Lips with a few layers, and the eyelashes are just so perfect. Different angles from her face. If there's some brushing on those, I would be so delighted, but still, it is still very pretty. Yeah, just like a model. She is more realistic than other 1 to 4 size BJD doors, because Lucy used some real humans as a reference, so this is more realistic, and that's why I love ECHOTOWN so much. I love her dolls. Yeah, so here's her body, also just like Aya, and her haircut here with the logos, backwards of it, bone structure here, her breast. Yeah, so I would dress her up and take the videos again, so just stop for a moment. So back to the videos. I bought few things for my doors. The clothes, one clothes actually, because it is quite expensive. This clothes from I can't remember how to pronounce this, because Serena door, another door company, but they also make clothes, and the texture of it is so good. It's because this is a real, I don't know how to say, but in Chinese it is zanxi, and so pretty, so many details, and light. It is very light, the clothes, and just a fantasy feel for Ygritte, because I will dress Ygritte first, and 3 wigs. 2 of them is from Hanasu, which is selling the liquid wig, and another one is from doll.Planet, and doll.Planet, and I will show to you this first because I love the wig more. So this is from doll.Planet, the wig. I just simply put on it because, you know, the haircut, you don't need to wear the haircut if you are choosing some lamb-blue wig. I love the lamb-blue wig because of the texture is so good, so soft, so natural. And this is the wig. You can see, tie some, yeah, they tie here and the front of it. So I put on Ygritte hat very gently, because I still don't know how to put on it without hurting anything. Quite hard. It is such a big challenge. I don't want to ruin anything of it. I want to wear the wig. So yeah, almost. It is hard to wear it. I don't know what is happening. Maybe just stop for a moment, let me wear the wig first. So I just successfully put on it, the wig. You can see here. Maybe I can close up. The wig come in. Here's how to adjust it, because I'm just holding it on. I think the hairstyle is quite good and quite elegant, but somehow like a village girl or I don't know, a wealthy people. In a reddish brown color. And so finally I dressed her up, and this is Ygritte, dressed in a beautiful women's style with a long dress here, with it in it quite transparent clothing, have a lot of ribbons on it. Not the official clothing, but I brought it, from doll. The hairs are here, just waving her hair. Back of it. So this is the end of the video, because I have taken a long period of time and I think it will bore visually. So I will take another video to introduce its possibilities, and for now this is Ygritte and Arya is here. So this is the end of the video of unboxing BJDs and introduce the company, and that is the end. Hope you like it, and if you like it you can subscribe and give me a like and ask questions down below. And if you can't wait to see her in another hairstyle, just follow my Instagram and you can check out for more look of this store and other artwork from me. So thanks for watching and bye.